process to use water wisely to avoid water wastage.
My name is Arvind Kumar from class 5th. So today I am going to ask a quiz from you. Question number 1. Around 97% of water available on earth is option A fresh, option B pure, option C salty, option D salty. Yes, the correct